Hello children, good morning. Today we will learn about Microsoft Access. Okay, so we already done with setting the primary key. So now we have to learn about inserting and deleting fields in MS Access. Okay, so now on the screen what you are having is this is the data sheet view. Okay, so whatever we enter the fields, that is not in, we can't enter in the data sheet view. Okay, so I'm changing the view to design view. Okay, here we can enter the data, that's like a roll number. Okay, and that is I'll change the data type. Okay, so that is of number type. Okay, and again this is student name, this is of short text or long text, whatever you want you can place it. Okay, and maths, I'm giving the subject names here. So I have to get marks, I have to give marks here now, so I'll give number here. Okay, and information technology, that is also number type. Okay, so I'm giving marks now, that's why I'm giving the data type as number. Okay, English, this is also number type. And social, this is also a number type. Okay, and if I give the date of examination, so we have to give the date and time. Okay, so whatever we gave the field names, that is in the design view. Okay, so by default if you create a table, you can view the all the table in the data sheet view. Okay, so here under the home tab, you have the two different views. Okay, so the first one is data sheet view and the second one is the design view. Okay, so if you want to edit anything, and like if you want to give the field names, you have to give it in the design view. Okay, so now this is done, and now I want to insert some of the fields here. Okay, so for example, time of the examinations, so insert row. Okay, so you can insert the rows like time of examination. Okay, so that is the data type of date or time. And if you want to delete rows, you can just select that thing, that row, and you just click on I want to delete social. Okay, so I selected the social and I just clicked on delete rows. Okay, and this is the time of examination. Okay, so the data type is of date or time. Okay, so this is what inserting and deleting rows. And the table which we are viewing is design view. Now this is of data sheet view. Okay, so after this you can see the roll number. Okay, student name, the fields here. Okay, so by default if a table is open, that we can see in a data sheet view. Okay, so here also you can insert and delete fields. Okay, so here in this data sheet view also you can enter the field names. Okay, so here you can see click to add. Okay, by just clicking there you can see different types here. Okay, so I'm giving the it as I'll give another subject name. Okay, so I'll enter the max of Hindi. Okay, okay, so if you gave the that one as a number type you can see it is as 0. Okay, if we gave the data type as number you can see it as 0 here. Okay, so and you can insert and delete the fields here in the data sheet view also by just clicking the date of examination here and just clicking it delete, then you can delete that entire field. Okay, and next entering the data, so roll number I am giving as 1 and the student name as Kriya, and I'm giving some marks. Okay, so 78, information technology 80, English as 90, so time of examination is 12. Okay, Hindi I'll give marks as 86. Okay, so here I'm entering the second details. Kriya, after Kriya I'll give Nishita's name and then 80, 88, 90, and the date of examination is 12, the same. Okay, 80. Okay, and next is Siddhi. Okay, so I'll give some marks. 7, 19, so examination is 12, so 85. Okay, and the number is 4. Next is Varshini. Okay, okay, so you can enter the fields like this, entering the data. Okay, so for example if you want to delete the records, so this Kriya is entire one record. Okay, this Nishita, the marks of Nishita, the student, so the roll number, name, everything we call it as a record. Okay, so first I will save this. Okay, I'll rename this. I'll So this is database 6. Okay, it is saved as like database 6. Okay, for example, if you want to delete any records from this table, just you have to select that record. Okay, and just okay